are not immune to bias. Studies have shown that these systems can be less accurate when identifying individuals with darker skin tones, particularly women of color. This bias stems from the data sets used to train these algorithms. If the training data lacks diversity, the system will likely perpetuate existing inequalities. This inaccuracy can have serious consequences. For instance, a biased facial recognition system used by law enforcement could lead to wrongful arrests and convictions. The potential for discrimination extends beyond law enforcement. It could also impact access to employment, housing, and other essential services. Addressing bias in facial recognition is crucial to ensure that this technology does not exacerbate existing social inequalities. Developers must prioritize diversity in training datasets and develop mechanisms to mitigate bias in these systems. Section 5. The regulatory tightrope, balancing innovation and ethical considerations. The rapid advancement of facial recognition technology has outpaced the development of effective regulations. This lack of oversight raises concerns about potential misuse and abuse. Governments worldwide are grappling with the challenge of regulating this powerful technology. Finding the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting fundamental rights is crucial. Some argue for a complete ban on facial recognition, citing its potential for harm. Others advocate for strict regulations that govern its use, ensuring transparency and accountability. Effective regulation should address issues such as data collection, storage, and access. It should also establish clear guidelines for use cases and implement robust oversight mechanisms. The development of ethical guidelines and industry standards is also crucial. Collaboration between policymakers, technologists, and civil society is essential to navigate this complex landscape. Section 6. A future engraved on our faces. Navigating the ethical landscape of facial recognition. Facial recognition technology presents society with a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it offers potential benefits in various sectors. On the other hand, it raises profound ethical concerns about privacy, discrimination, and the erosion of civil liberties. As we stand at the cusp of a future potentially saturated with facial recognition, careful consideration is paramount. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that the technology's development and implementation prioritize ethical considerations. Transparency, accountability, and robust oversight mechanisms are crucial to mitigate the risks associated with facial recognition. Ultimately, the future of facial recognition hinges on our ability to strike a delicate balance. We must harness its potential for good while safeguarding against its potential for harm. This requires a collective effort to ensure that this powerful technology serves humanity rather than controls it.